Welcome to WordPress. Allow customers to reorder products from previous order in WordPress-based store using WooCommerce. Add any previously ordered products to cart and order again. Save customers time and provide convenience by allowing them to easily reorder their favorite products again. For store owners, this feature in WordPress may increase conversions. To have this feature in WordPress, from plugins, search and install one-click order reorder plugin. This is the plugin we are looking for. So this plugin adds a reorder button at order listing section in user dashboard. Reorder button will also be present in my account page next to each order as well as on order detail page. Let's order few products quickly. View cart, proceed to checkout, place order, order done, and here we have reorder button at the order completion page. My account, orders. This is our recent order. See this reorder button? Clicking it will add same products to cart and allow customers to order those products again. The items are added to cart from your previous order. We can adjust quantity from here, remove products if we like, or if the product is out of stock, it will display message regarding that. For example, fresh orange juice added product, inventory, out of stock, update, reload. Sorry, fresh orange juice is not in stock. Please edit your cart and try again. And then customer can proceed to checkout by clicking this button. This plugin has got settings page under WooCommerce. From here we can enable another button that can skip cart page and directly takes customer to checkout page. After he clicks a reorder button, we can enable disable order note or message. There are some other useful options that we can explore from here. All in all, it's a very good plugin to have along with the WooCommerce based store in WordPress. Give it a go. If you are looking for alternative, you can have a look at repeat order for WooCommerce plugin as well. That is this one. But the plugin that we showcased here is this one-click order reorder. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.